Dear students, this is Sarosh sir. Today our topic is unitary method. Unitary method, this word unitary, it comes from a word unit. Okay? Unit means one. Unit means one. Okay? That means here whatever our questions will be, first of all we have to find the value of one item, then we have to find whatever the question asks. Okay, these are two types of variations. First is direct variation, and second is inverse variation. Okay, now what is the meaning of direct and what is the meaning of inverse variation? So first of all, direct variation. Okay, direct variation is a type of variation where if the value of one item increases, then its corresponding value also increases. Okay, for example, if I have to go to the market and if I buy 4 kg apple, suppose cost of 4 kg apple rupees 300. Okay, now if I buy more amount of apple, then the more money I have to pay. Okay, so here if the amount of apple increases, the amount of money which I have to pay also increases. So this type of variation is known as direct variation. Okay, now if I have to buy less amount of apple, if I have to buy less amount of apple, then the money which I have to pay less money. Now if I have to buy less amount of apple, if I have to buy less amount of apple, then I have to pay less money. Okay, so if the amount of apple decreases, then the money which I have to pay also decreases. Okay, this type of variation is direct variation. Now inverse variation. Next is inverse variation. Two quantities x and y are said to vary indirectly or be in inverse variation or be in inverse proportion if they change in such a way that the ratio of two values of x is the same as the inverse ratio of the corresponding two values of y. This is the inverse variation. Let us consider an example. It takes 5 hours to reach a certain place at the speed of 80 km per hour. Here hour and 80 km per hour speed. Here time and speed. Now here speed is 80 km per hour and time taken is 5 hours. Okay, if I have to increase my speed, suppose increase of speed 100 km per hour, then obviously my time taken will be less than 5 hours. Now we have to lower speed, suppose 60 km per hour. Then my time taken will be more than 5 hours. here if speed is increases then time is decreases, and if speed is decreases the time is increases. So this type of variation is known as inverse variation. Okay, so direct and inverse, these two type of variation are there in this unitary method chapters. Okay, today up to this.